Hi guys, this is Lorele with WTI. Do you live in a small space and would like to have the perfect air fryer for your kitchen? Well, I think you're going to love this Dash air fryer. The main reason I love this air fryer is because of its size. It doesn't take up too much space on your counter, but it's still big enough to cook portions for one or two people. This makes it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even for taking on trips. Another great feature is how easy it is to use. The controls are very straightforward. You can easily regulate the temperature and set the cooking time. Once the time is up, it shuts off automatically, which is super convenient. I've had this air fryer for over a year now and it hasn't given me any issues at all. The results are always delicious and it's perfect for making quick meals for one or two people. So if you're looking for a compact, easy to use air fryer that delivers great results, I really recommend you get yourself one of these Dash air fryers, and that is my point of view.